G'day everyone. I've been having some problems with my Mityvac holding pressure or vacuum. It keeps bleeding down. I'll just give you a quick demonstration. Only holds about 5 psi pressure and doesn't really hold any vacuum. It'll pull down, but then slowly bleeds off again. So I pulled the whole thing down, greased everything up, checked all the O-rings, all the usual shit, and none of that was fixing it. And you can see I've pulled the gauge apart now, so I thought I would make this video in case somebody has a similar problem. What I found, it's actually the Loctite that goes into this brass fitting here. I sprayed it down with some Windex bubble mixture. A bit of an odd one, you have to pull the whole gauge apart to see that, but there you go. So it's bleeding down there, so I'm going to take this apart and then reseal it. So after cracking off the Loctite and removing the gauge from the little brass fitting that goes into the top of the Mityvac, I can see that when they're wound in, they haven't even crushed the rubber gasket that's in the bottom of this thing. So it was just a Loctite sealing and not the little gasket at the bottom. So just shit manufacturing, basically. Good news is it's an easy fix. I just got to probably just tighten this in. And I mean, I could put Loctite on it again, but it really just needs to be wound all the way down so it crushes in onto that gasket, assuming there's enough thread to get there, so it doesn't bottom out. What I will probably use in place of Loctite will be a jointing compound like the one I use is called Stag. That's what I'll probably use instead. And what do you know, it works now.